Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best Forex indicator that you've probably never heard of. Alright, now this is a Forex volume indicator that does a really good job of identifying the starting points, as you can see right here. And don't worry, we're going to cover all the details, and I can promise you that by the time you're done watching this video, you are no longer going to be a Forex beginner. Alright, you are going to be a Forex master by the time you're done watching this video on the best Forex indicators out there. Let's get into it, guys. First things first, my name is Mark at Dino Trading. Welcome back to the channel. And what you see on the screen right now is a chart of the US 30. All right, now for those of you guys that are experienced Forex traders and you're deploying all sorts of interesting Forex strategies, I'm willing to bet that you've heard of the US 30 before. But for those of you that have not heard of the US 30, you need to start looking into this today. All right. What I can tell you in my own personal journey of mastering Forex technical analysis is that the Forex indices, okay, like the US 30, the SPX 500, the NAS 100, all right, these are all the indices. These Forex indices blow away the traditional currency pairs like, GBP New Zealand, Euro USD, GBP JPY, all the traditional Forex currency pairs that you guys are used to. And I'm going to tell you why this is important, okay? And to do that, I'm going to jump over to my notepad file here, okay? And this one line, I feel pretty confident, is going to explain why you need to stop focusing on the traditional currency pairs and start looking at the indices as part of your Forex trading, okay? And the number one reason to do so, guys, is that the average daily range, what they call the ADR, on these Forex indices is 10 times the average daily range on currencies. What does that mean? Well, I'll tell you what that means. And more importantly, I'm going to tell you why knowing the average daily range on your Forex pair is probably the most important data point that you can be mindful of. All right, and here's why. Say you have been focusing on the GBP for your entire Forex trading career or journey, and you've come to the conclusion based on your back testing that GBP is only averaging about 70 pips a day, which I guess according to you might be okay, right? 70 pips a day, if you can capture that, heck, if you can even capture half of that, that's not bad on a couple of standard lots. Now, contrast the average daily range of the GBP to the US 30, which you can see here is averaging just about 700 pips a day. Okay? So, if it was you, and all things being equal, you had two symbols to choose from, right? You had to make a decision every trading day. Well, do I want to trade GBP or do I want to trade US 30 or some of the other Forex indices? Based on this math alone, I think the answer is obvious, right? The average daily range on the US 30 and some of those other indices just blow away all the traditional currency pairs. So it's a simple decision to make. Do you want to trade a market that's only averaging about 70 pips a day, maybe less? Or do you want to potentially trade a market that's averaging 700 pips a day and maybe even more than that? Makes sense? So let's go back to the chart here and figure out the math on this Forex chart. And what you're seeing on the chart, by the way, in case I forgot to explain this, this Forex indicator here is a volume-based indicator that changes color based on the prevailing market direction. You guys have heard me say this before. The number one job that you have as a Forex trader every single day, every week, every month, every year is to get the direction right. If you don't know how to get the direction right, you're never going to find any success. All right. So that's what this indicator looks like on the chart. And in my opinion, that's also what makes it the best Forex indicator out there, because it's so clean, because the trends are so obvious. And more importantly, this is a game of pips, right? When you trade Forex, your entire day should be spent thinking about how do you accumulate pips in your account. That's all it comes down to, whether you're trading a standard lot, a mini lot, micro lot, doesn't matter. But I hope you're starting to get the idea on why this is the best Forex indicator out there, because it doesn't use all the traditional nonsense like Bollinger Bands, stochastics, RSI, all this other garbage. This is just a clean price action based Forex volume indicator, and the only job that this trading indicator has is to change color to inform you whenever the trend also changes. So let's talk about today's setups, and I'm also going to show you how to do the math, and I'm going to prove to you why the US 30 blows away any of the traditional Forex currency pairs that you're used to. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this best Forex indicator to isolate the trends, and we're going to start right here. This short signal from today at 8 o'clock in the morning told us that there was going to be a downtrend. Why? It's because the volume indicator here, that's that band you see, turned red right on this bar here, okay? And on the flip side, right over here, about 1 hour later, the volume band, as you can quite clearly see, turned green. So there are your signals, ladies and gentlemen. If this makes sense, please let me know. If this is too confusing or complicated, guys, again, let me know. Drop your comments in the chat and let me know what you're struggling to identify. But I think this is pretty self-explanatory, okay? So let's keep this going. From this short setup turning point to the low of this trend, and from this long starting point to the high of this trend, this was just about 80 points on the short and 110 points on the long. Now this is points. It's very important you remember this. This is points, not pips. I'm going to show you how to convert this into pips. It's a very easy mathematical formula. I'd be shocked if you got it wrong. All right. So how most brokers translate the US 30 points, because don't forget, guys, the US 30 tracks the Dow. All right, it's essentially the Forex version of the Dow. You can trade Dow futures, you can trade Dow stocks, and now you can trade Dow Forex. And in the futures world and the stock world, your P&L is reflected in points. But in Forex, as you know, you always have to translate it into pips. So here's the mathematical formula, okay? Every 1 point on the US 30 is worth 10 pips. All right, that's all you need to know. And this is pretty popular on most of the Forex brokers. I can't say this is popular on every Forex broker because every broker has their own mathematical way of calculating points into pips. But this will typically apply on, the popular ones like Hugo's Way, Trader's Way, FX Choice, and, some of the other popular Forex brokers. All right. So to finish this out and blow your mind right now, yes, this downtrend from just 8 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock in the morning, all right, this downtrend that was represented by this best Forex indicator here caught 800 pips. Okay, yes, you read that correctly, 800 pips. How about over here on this long from 9 o'clock until about lunchtime, let's call it? Yes, you are reading this correctly. Your eyes are not playing tricks on you. This was 1,100 pips. Understand what I'm saying? So guys, I hope now you can understand why the US 30 and some of those other indices are just going to blow away those traditional Forex currency pairs that you're used to. And I think this just comes down to, education. I think a lot of Forex traders out there don't bother to educate themselves on what are the best symbols to trade, what has the best potential pip payout. That's important. In fact, that's the number one most important thing to me. I want to know what's paying me the most, right? I'm not interested in trading Euro USD or something similar that's only averaging 40 or 50 pips. I want to trade this one, 800 pips. I want to trade this one, 1,000 pips, right? So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is today's recap on the best Forex indicator that you've probably never heard of. And I also hope I was able to educate you a little bit more on the awesome, incredible, and raw power of simply switching from one symbol to another, right? If you're trading Forex, every day is, involves putting risk on the table and you're looking to capture rewards. And traditionally, a lot of Forex traders out there, they risk 1 pip, they only try to make 5 or 10 pips. What if you could risk 1 pip to make 800 pips? Or what if you could risk 1 pip to make 1,000 pips? And what if you could do this using a very simple, clean Forex indicator that nails the starting points of these big moves that we're looking to capture in the Forex world, right? So the combination of a trend-based Forex indicator and a large pip movement is what I think makes a very comprehensive and smart, profitable Forex trading strategy. And that's why I think this is the best Forex indicator that you've never heard of. I think you're going to find this to be a lot of fun. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.